Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make mask at home from piece of cloth or fabric. So let's get started. First you have to fold the cloth like this way. The process is very easy, you can make it at home. So make sure you watch the full video. So I am folding it. Now I think I fold it properly. So I fold it. Now I need to sew it from both sides. So you can see I done that and it's like a proper mask. The folding process in this mask is very important. It make the mask adjustable on your face. So now you have to use these rubber type thing. I don't know what it is, but I got it from my old mask, so I will bond them together with the mask, and now your mask is ready. You can see it's very beautiful and it can adjust on your face easily. If you like the video, click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell for more videos. Hope you enjoy the video.